Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to export your mailbox using the updated Outlook interface. This is a simple procedure, and I will walk you through every step so you can finish the task in just about 5 minutes. To begin, launch Microsoft Outlook on your desktop. Starting here ensures we can access the correct menus to reach the export options. Please verify you are using the most recent version of the app to follow along smoothly. Look at the upper right side of your screen and select the Sign In button. Logging in is required so the software can link to your mailbox and process the export. Type in your email address and password carefully to prevent any login errors or security issues. If you often forget your credentials, consider using a password manager for easier access later. Once you are logged in, return to the top right and click the gear-shaped settings icon. This is your gateway to managing your email experience. From the sidebar, choose the General category. While this section contains many customization options, we are focusing specifically on data management today. Navigate down the list until you see Privacy and Data. Click this tab to access settings regarding how your information is stored and moved. Now, locate the Export Mailbox button and click it. This triggers the data extraction process. Simply follow the specific prompts that appear on your screen, which are specific to your account. Be aware that if you have a large amount of mail, the export might take some time to complete, so please be patient. This method creates a secure backup of your messages, keeping them accessible even if they are deleted from your main inbox. Whether you are migrating to a different service or just keeping records, knowing how to export is a very useful skill to have. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you need further assistance.